Do you know, I just realized that I've never actually introduced myself in any of my videos. By the way, my name is Martine, otherwise known as Rogue Pixel. Welcome. So I'm going to make a quick educated guess here. If you've subscribed to me, you're probably just like me. You're a designer looking to diversify your income, or perhaps you've just got a view to be self-employed in the future and you're looking for ways that you can diversify your income through different avenues like design. You might not do the design yourself, but you're looking to explore that route through print on demand and similar stuff like that. You're someone who wants to monetize their skills. You've got all these great skills and artistic ability, and you just don't know how to make that into something that you can make money from. And really, you're just looking for some honest, realistic advice that's actionable. That's not some kind of airy-fairy in the sky, oh, look at this possibility, as opposed to, let me show you real ways how to get there. Maybe we'll get there. Maybe we'll fail. Am I selling this? I don't know. The point is, I am using this channel to try and show my process, show my journey, and through what I've learned and successes that I make, I want to share that with you guys to show you that you can have exactly the same success, if not better, than I've seen in certain things. You can avoid the pitfalls that I found myself in by trying other things, and perhaps through learning together and going through this journey together, we can all get to a place where we're where we want to be. We're actually doing stuff and we can look back and see, okay, maybe that stuff I was doing, 6 months ago, I wasn't really seeing much for it. But now, nearly, 6 months later, I can see how that work, that seed that I planted back then is now growing to something really, really tangible that you can start benefiting from. It's about laying that groundwork. So my channel's not about giving you all the answers. It's about trying to show you where I've maybe gone wrong in the past and giving you realistic tips and stuff that you can do to help you along your way. And that might be anything from print on demand, which is primarily based around Redbubble and TeePublic. It could be general freelancing, which is some content that I plan to do more of in the future. It could be other stuff that I haven't even considered yet of how we can diversify and bring in more passive income from various places. I don't know. You guys are with me on this journey, and I'm so grateful. I think just before Christmas or around Christmas time, we hit 1,000 subscribers. And that's really given me so much motivation to take this YouTube channel seriously. In the past, it was somewhere that I thought, okay, maybe if I come up with an idea every few months, I'll just chuck it in a video and put it out there. But seeing the response to some of the stuff I've been putting out makes me want to please you guys. It's like, they're here, I need to entertain them, and I'm hoping you shall be entertained. So I guess my main point is, I don't know everything yet. I'm teaching you what I know. I'm getting loads of good advice from you guys through private messaging and emails as well. I don't claim to be a guru or have all the answers. I'm not telling you to go buy my course or sign up to this and you'll get that. I'm not telling you to do any of that. I'm trying, my main goal, my main, what's that word? Business ethos? I don't know. Is that it? Is honesty and transparency. I'm going to be transparent with you guys. I'm going to be doing more videos around my income, where it comes from, how I make it, what could be better. I'm just want to give that to you because that's what I feel I'm missing from people that I follow online, is a certain level of transparency. It's like, okay, you're telling me all this good stuff, but show me what you have. Where is this getting you? I'm not saying I make the most, I make squeak a tiny little bit of a living from passive income. It's certainly nothing that I can rely on solely just yet, but I'm hoping it'll get to a point where it's just, better. I don't know. Is this going on a bit? Okay. But the main thing is I'm not going to give you any empty promises. I'm not going to follow my advice and within 3 months you'll be seeing blah, 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 blah. Join my secret group for this amount of money per month. I ain't doing that. I'm not doing it, guys. And I just would like you to take any kind of guru with a pinch of salt. Yes, they're probably doing really well for themselves, but unless they can show you real actionable tips right in front of you without saying that you have to sign up to this and that and pay this and that, then I would be cautious. I'd be cautious. I'm kind of forgetting what the point of this video is. Okay, my main thing, guys, is I want to thank you for the support. And I swear to you, seeing new subs is like getting a shot of adrenaline straight into the cranium. It does miracle work for my motivation. It really does, especially when it comes to doing this YouTube channel. So as a thank you, we're getting to the point now. I'm getting there. I kind of remembered where we were going. As a thank you, my most popular videos are around my Redbubble content, tips, my earnings, all that kind of stuff. And what I decided to do was I'm going to take my blog a little bit more seriously and try and put what I put in my videos into written form as well. Some people don't have time to sit and watch videos. I tend to watch a lot of videos because I'm working and it's great to have content playing on in the background. But some people prefer to read. So I'm going to try and condense a lot of my most popular content into written form and get my blog up and running. And I've started my first proper series in my print on demand / passive income posts, shall we say. And it's basically everything that was from this Redbubble video and probably this one as well into one post. And if you read through the post and go right to the bottom, there's a downloadable PDF file that is... What I plan for that PDF file is for it to be a kind of live document, somewhere that is a guide for selling on Redbubble that will be updated as and when things change. Because the algorithm's always changing, their business methods are always changing, and we need to keep abreast of that and how that affects us and our sales. So that document that's currently there, go download it now. I'm not going to ask you to sign up or give me your email address or anything. It's just an open page. Scroll to the bottom, download the PDF, and give me some advice. I've tried to put all the most pertinent information from my videos in there, and hopefully it helps. If there's a few areas where there's stuff I need to develop more, like promotion. That's something I'm still wanting to do. So in the meantime, if you can give it a read, let me know if there's any cool little tips and tricks that we need to add to that guide. And I would say maybe every 2 to 3 months, I'll create an updated version, pop it in the same place for you to download the new version of that guide. But that's just, it's taken me a bit of time to put together, and that's purely a thank you to you guys for liking my content, for supporting me, and for just giving me the motivation to keep going with this channel and document my journey and failures and successes, hopefully more successes with you guys. So if you haven't already, I would love it if you be sure to subscribe. You know, it'll make me happy if you do, and I will ensure that I release regular content to this channel. I'm going to try for once a week. It totally depends on the amount of other stuff I have going on, but that's my aim. Once a week for you guys, brand new video of some hopefully good content, and let's just see where 2020 can take us. I think it'll be good. I think it'll be good. All right, guys, you take care. See you later.